Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change your batteries here on the RV lock. Couple quick recommendations. If you could do so inside, if you have a door that you could slide open and this is fit right here and you could get to these two screws, do it from the inside, just because if you drop a screw and you happen to be at a campground, you might be searching for it. So yes, I'm using a drill to take out my screws because I don't like wasting time. So you pull off those two screws right there, and then this little piece right here slides off. If you get your finger back there. And you'll notice on mine that I do have a piece of tape here. So that's a little extra tip. When we first started going out, these batteries aren't held by anything on this side. So I stuck in some electrical, or actually this is duct tape folded up. I stuck it in and pushed it in so it wedges it. So if you're having trouble with your batteries not actually staying in and they keep popping out, or it, a message comes out about the batteries, that is one great way to fix them. You see how easily they fall out there. So I pull those four out. I'm going to put my new 4 batteries in. Ooh, they are really not in here great. So I got those 2 there. Stick those 2 there. I get my little piece of tape, put it back, put that top on, and then I got my 2 screws ready to go. And I got my drill here set at one of the lower settings. That way it doesn't strip anything. Just go real easy in. As soon as it clicks, let it go. I'm going to go ahead and do the next one now. And there you go. And we're going to turn it back on. And if we hit the unlock button, there we go, locked. If you like this review, or how-to I should say, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. A lot of videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching.